guys, welcome to Kaila's Corner. Today we are making breakfast. A big thumbs up, and let's get into the video. Now we want to see for 60 seconds, kids. Nope. Okay. We are making peanut butter and jelly French toast. Let's get started. You can put the peanut butter on the bread. Now pan the jelly, guys. That's it. Now we need to spread it. Thank you. I'm not spreading it. We spread it. Now I'm gonna put in this. Now pin 1 egg, guys. There you go. Now pin cinnamon. How do I open this?
Let me help you.
Now put in the nutmeg up there. Now we're gonna mix it up, kids. Delicious. Mix it up the leg. It smells good. We need to clean up our mess, kids. Clean. Now it's done. Now I'm back. Now we'll put in the bread. Put it over. Now we're making the unicorn pancakes. And let's put in a mixture first. Now I'm going to put in the water. And the milk. And now we're going to mix it up, kids. Is Kaila holding the camera? Well, guys, you better not shoot him because it's hot. Now I'm gonna make my eggs. Ooh, that's an egg yolk. The egg yolk, I'm gonna do like this. Look at all the food we make, kids. Do you like it? You do? But I hope you like it. Now we're gonna try the pancake. Good. What is healthy, kids? Now I'm gonna try the sandwich. It is good. Thank you for coming and watching, guys.